So this is our living room area. So this is a spacious kitchen of the flat. So this is the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. In today's video, I am going to show you the spacious and luxurious 3 BHK actual flat of Sukhmani Minerva, which is located near Kunal Icon Road, Sainagar Park, Pimple Saudagar, Pune. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which in front of the sales office of the project is the Kunal Icon Road, and the land parcel of the project surrounds the sales office. But before I show you our actual flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview, Sukhmani Minerva will be constructed on 1.5 acre of land parcel comprising of 3 towers, in which you will get 2 basements plus ground plus 18 floors, which will be having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. The Sukhmani Minerva is located near Kunal Icon Road, Sainagar Park, Pimple Saudagar, Pune. As you can see, सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने आपको मिल जाता है कुनाल आइकन रोड, जो लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है पिंपले सौदागर से, और राइट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है वाकड़ भोसरी BRTS रोड से। इस लोकेशन के कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है कोकनी चौक, विच इज विद इन 1.8 किलोमीटर्स, ऑन द्राविड BRTS रोड, विच इज विद इन 2.6 किलोमीटर्स, एंड क्रोमा, which is within 3.7 kilometers. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं amenities के बारे में. This project offers 30 plus luxurious amenities in which you will get swimming pool, kids pool, floor games area, gym, multi-purpose court, barbecue area and many more. So as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK actual flat of Sukhmani Minerva, which has 1140 square feet carpet area. So here at the entrance, you get a digital door lock to your door for security purposes, and then you have this massive walking space at your entrance's lobby, and here you get your decorative item space and shoe rack setup space. Now let me show you the living and the dining space. So this is our living room area, where this is where you can have your couch set up, and then you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. And you also get your TV unit set up here. Now let me show you the first bedroom of this flat before I show you the dining space, as this flat is based on butterfly concept. So this is the first bedroom of our flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space. You also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And then you have your wardrobe setup space here. You also get an attached washroom with it at the entrance, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now let me show you the dining space. So this is your dining space, where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the best part about this flat, which is the mandir room. So this is where you get your mandir room. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is a spacious kitchen of the flat which has two granite platforms parallel to each other. You also get a sink attached to this platform and you get a dry balcony to it for setting up your washing machine or utilities. You also get your refrigerator setup area here where you can set your fridge up. Now let me show you the second bedroom of this flat. But before I show you that, let me tell you about this common washroom that we have here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. You also get a common wash basin here. So this is your second bedroom of the flat where this is where you get your bed setup space. You also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And you also get your wardrobe setup space here. Now, before I show you the third bedroom of the flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now, let us check out the third bedroom of this flat. So this is the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space. You also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural sunlight. And then you also get an attached balcony to this bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, stiffened glass railings and is two-side cover. This also has a walk-in wardrobe space and an attached master washroom to it. So this is your walk-in wardrobe space where where you get your wardrobe setup space, and then you have your attached master washroom here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and design vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK actual flat tour of Sukhwani Minerva project, which is located near Kunal Icon Road, Sainagar Park, Pimple Saudagar, Pune, and developed by Sukhwani Ramchandani Group. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today to book your dream home.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.